Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Okay. So, my dear students, today we are going to start exercise 1.3. In previous video, you know very well, I have completed exercise 1.3 question number 1. Okay. So, in the last video, I have seen one comment, sir, please repeat again this topic. So again, I am going to explain rounded off 10, how to round it off 10. So before starting this topic, I have to divide into 3 parts. The first part is, you can see, the number should be between 0 to 4. The estimated value is 0. Okay, this is the category number 1. Now category number 2, 6 to 9, estimated value is equal to 10. Okay, this is the first category, this is the second category. The number should be between 6 to 9, the estimated value is equal to 10. Okay, now the category number 3, exactly 5 number, because this is the equidistance number, so the estimated value of 5 is equal to 10. So here, this is the category number 1, this is the category number 2, and this is the category number 3. Okay, now look at this side. I am going to take 2 examples so you can understand better. The first example, 998. What we have to do? We are going to round it off 10. So कैसे करना है? First of all, you make the line of the last digit. It means the ones places. Okay. So here you can see how to do. This is the 8. Okay. This is the last one digit. 10 है because after 1 there is only single 0. That's why we make a line only last one digit. So you can see here I have made one line last digit. Okay. 8. After that, we have to write 0 instead of 8. Understood? We have to write 0 instead of 8. You can see 990. After that, you have to check the value. This value 8 should be come in which category. So you can see this 8. You can see this is, again I am writing, this is the one category, second category and third category. Okay, tell me this 8, it should be between which category? Category number 2. You know, the value of 6 to 9, the estimated value is 10. So we will add 10 this number. Okay, you can see already I have written 990 plus 10 is equal to 1000. The answer is 1000. Okay, the estimated value of 998 is equal to, we have rounded off 10 is equal to 1000. Okay, now next example you can see 334. Okay, now tell me कहाँ पे line रखेंगे? In which digit we make a line? The last digit, because we are going to round it off 10. Okay, so we make a line 4. Okay, now you can see. Now check it. This 4. Before finding the estimated value, I told you So first we will write a 0 instead of 4. जहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं उसके नीचे उस नंबर की जगह पे we will write a 0 only. Understood? So you can see you can see 330, 4 की जगह पे we have written 0. Yes or no? Now check the value of these 4. Okay, in which category? Category number 1. Tell me the estimated value of 4 is equal to 0 only. Understood? So we will add 0. Now you can see plus 0. What is the answer? The answer is 330. The answer is 330. The estimated value of, we have rounded off 10. Which number we have done? 334. What is the estimated value? 330, which you can see for this example. And example number 1, the estimated value of 998 is equal to 1000. You can see. Okay, now we will move on the next next rounded off 100. Okay, rounded off 100. Here you can see how many total 0 after 1. So after 1 there are 2 digits. So we make a line last 2 digit. Rounded off 10. It means after 1 there is only single digit. So we make a line, single line of the last digit. Yes or no? Now look at this side. It is also divided into 3 categories. Category number 1, the category number is 0 to 49. 0 to 49. So the estimated value is 2 times 0. In a category number 1, rounded off 10. In a category number 1, estimated value is only single 0 in the rounded off 10. Here rounded off 100, the estimated value is 00. कौन से नंबर के बीच में उसकी वैल्यू 00 हो जाएगी? 0 to 49. So this is the category number 1. Okay, now category number 2 is 51 to 99. 51 to 99. So estimated value is 100. Okay, in a category number 1, 0 to 49, estimated value is 00. Now tell me the remaining number is 50. It should be categorized into category number 3. Understood? Clear? Okay, now we will see the different examples so you can understand. The first example, 998. Now tell me how many lines, how many digits we can make a line. कितने डिजिट के ऊपर हम लाइन करेंगे? We will make a line on the last 2 digit. Okay, so you can see we will make a line last 2 digit. It means 998. Okay, now you can see we made a line 998. Okay, understood? So you can see we made a line 998. Okay, then look at this side. First we will write 2 times 0 instead of this 2 digit, right? जहाँ पे हर एक स्टेप में यही करना है कि जो लास्ट टू डिजिट दिया है जहाँ पे हमने लाइन की है उसके बदले में we will write to 0. तो we have written 0 instead of 9. We have written 0 instead of 8. Okay, now check this number 98. कौन सी कैटेगरी में है? इन विच कैटेगरी इट शुड बिकम? सो इट शुड बिकम इन अ कैटेगरी नंबर 2 because the 51 to 99, but this is a number 98. So this number should be categorized in a category number 2. Okay, so tell me what is the estimated value? The estimated value is 100. So we will add 100. Okay, you can see. Understood? So 900 plus 100. The answer is 1000. Okay. Now we will move on the next question regarding rounded off 100. Okay, so you can understand better. Again, what we have to do, we will make a line last 2 digit. So कहाँ पे line होगी? 34 के नीचे line होगी. Okay, you can see the 334. Okay, what we have to do next? we will write 2 times 0 instead of 34. Okay, you can see 300. Now check this number. Which number? The number is 34. It should be in which category? It should be in category number 1. Understood? It should be categorized into category number 1. Understood? So tell me, what is the estimated value? Estimated value is 0, 0. So we will add 2 times 0. Understood? So what is the answer? The answer is 300 plus 0, 0 is equal to 300. Understood? So now we will move on the rounded of 1000. Okay. So rounded of 1000, it means it should be also categorized into 3 parts. Okay. Okay. There are 3 parts. The category number 1 is 0 to 49. Okay, the estimated value is 30. You can see the first category, okay, 0 to 49. In which rounded off? कौन से नंबर में? 1000 में. The category number is 0 to 499. Okay, the estimated value is 00. Okay, now the category number 2. The category number 2 is equal to 501 to 999, and its estimated value is 1000. And here the estimated value of 0 to 499 is equal to 3 times 00. Understood? This is category number 1. This is category number 2. Okay, and the category number 3 is equal to 500, and its category estimated value is 1000. Again, I am repeating better. This is category number 1, this is category number 2, and this is category number 3. Understood? So here in a category number 1, 0 to 49, category number 2, 501 to 999, and category number 3, only 500 number. Okay, now look and see, we will see a different example so you can understand better. Okay, the example number 1, 1,08,734. Again I am speaking, again I am telling beta, in a 1000, after 1 there are total 3 digits, right? There are total 3 digits. Okay, so here we will make a line last 3 digit in the rounded of 1000. Okay, clear? So 1,08,734. 1,08,734. So we made a line last 3 digit. So what we have to do next? We will write 3 times 0 instead of 734. Okay. So I am going to write 1,08,000. Now check this number, 734, in which category? It should be categorized here. This number should become in between 501 to 999. So tell me, what is the estimated value? Estimated value is equal to 1000. Okay, so we will add 1000 of the given number. Okay, understood? So what is the answer? The answer is 1,09,000. Okay, you can see I have add 3 times 1000 with 1,08,000. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is 1,09,000. Okay, again I am going to take different example for which we will do the rounded of 1000. So you can see the 47,599. Again I am telling you better. What we have to do? We will make a line last 3 digit. So we have done, right? Okay. Now check. We will write the 3 times 0 instead of 599. Understood? How many times we are going to write 0? 3 times 0 instead of 599. Okay. Now again say the 47 comma triple times 0. After that we will check this 599, this number 599, check this number it should be become in which category? Category number 2. Okay, tell me the estimated value of 599. The estimated value is 1000. Okay, so we will add 1000. Understood? Clear? So what is the answer? The answer is 48,000. Understood, my dear students? So I have explained rounded off 10, rounded off 100, and rounded off 1000. I think your concept will be, is clear. Okay, now we will move on the exercise 1.3 question number 2. Okay, understood? Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closure estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. So first we are going to find out the rounding off to nearest 100. It means it is a rough estimate. So here already I told you how to round it off 100. So we will make a line. How many digit? Last 2 digit. Okay. So first I am going to take, we are going to convert, we are going to round it off 439. Okay, हम उसको 100 के rounding off 100 कर रहे हैं. So what we have to do, we make a line last 2 digit. It means this number. Okay, after that what we have to do, we will write okay, after we will write 2 times 0 instead of 39. Then check this 0. Already I told you 0 to 49 category number 1. Then 51 to 99 category number 2. And number 50 is category number 3. Now tell me what is the estimated value of this 39? It is equal to 0, 0. So we will add 400 plus 0, 0. Okay, so answer is equal to 400. Okay, so look at this side. 439 is rounded off 100 is equal to 400. Now we are going to convert rounded 334. Now look at this side. Okay, 334, we made a line, last 2 digit. Okay, now check this number. In which category? It is a category number 1. So we will write 2 times 0, 0 and we will add with 0, 0. So what is the answer? The answer is 300. Understood what I am telling you? Okay. Now look at this side. The next step is 334 is rounded off 100 is equal to 300. Okay. Now we are going to round it off this number 4317. Okay. So we made line last 2 digit. Okay. Because we are going to convert rounded off 100. Okay. Now what we have to do next step? We will write 2 times 0 instead of 17. Understood? Now look at this side. Okay, now check this number. In which category? It is a category number 1 because in a category number 1 the number should become in between 0 to 49. So this number is already coming in this category number 1. So we will add with 0, 0. Okay, understood? So what is the answer? 4,300. Okay. Then what we have to do? We will add this all the number. Okay. If you will add this number, so it is your rough estimate. 400 plus 300 plus 4,300. So you get answer. You will get answer 5,000. Okay. Again we are going to convert. Again we are going to find closure estimate by rounding of nearest tens. Understood? So again we are going to find, again I am going to take this number 439. Okay, we are going to find out the rounding of 10. So tell me, we will make a line how many digit? We will make a line last only one digit. Okay, you can see 439. Okay, after that what we have to do? We will write 0. Okay, instead of 9. Understood? Then we will check this number. In which category? It is a category number 2, 6 to 9. Already I have explained in the chart. Okay, in the starting of lecture. So it should be categorized into category number 2. Now tell me, what is its estimated value? Okay, 9 की estimated value क्या है? The 9 की estimated value, it is a 10 only. Okay, so we will add plus 10. So what is the answer? The answer is 440. Okay, understood? Already I have explained here. So you can see the 439 is rounded off. 10 is equal to 440. Understood what I am telling you? Again I am going to take 334. Okay, next number 334. So we will make line how many digit? Last one digit. So we made a line. Okay, then what we have to do next? We will write a single time 0. Okay, then check this number, this 4. In which category? It should be categorized only 1. Okay, so tell me, what is its estimated value? The estimated value of 4 is equal to 0. So we will add 0. So what is the answer? The answer is 330. Understood? So here 334 is rounded off. Tens is equal to 330. Okay. Now we will move on. 4317. Okay, how many digits? Because we are going to convert rounded off 10. So we will make a line last one digit only. Okay, first we will write a 0 instead of 7. Now check the value of 7. Check the estimated value of 7. Okay, it is a 10 only. So we will add plus 10. Now what is answer? The answer is 4320, which you can see. Understood? Okay. Now, after that what we have to do? We will add all the numbers. Understood? Okay. So the closure estimate is equal to 5090 and rough estimate is equal to 5000. Understood? Now we will move on the next question. Question 2b. Okay, the 1,08,734. Okay, minus 47,599. Understood what I am telling you? Now look at this side. Again, we are going to convert nearest 100. Already you know. Okay, क्या करेंगे पहले? We will make a line last 2 digit. Okay, so we made we have written 00 instead of 34. Then check the value of 34. It is 00. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is 1,08,700. Okay, the 1,08,734 is rounding off 100 is equal to 1,08,700 only. Okay, now I am going to take next number. Okay, 47,599. Understood what I am telling you, beta? So here you can see we will make a line how many digit? We will make a line last 2 digit. Okay, then we will write 00 instead of 99. Okay, then check this value. What is its estimated value? the estimated value of 99 is equal to 100. Understood? So we will add plus 100. So what is answer? The answer is 47,600. Understood? The answer is 47,600 only. Understood? Now the 47,599 is rounded off. 100 is equal to 47,600. Then we will subtract this number. Okay, already you know very well. The answer should become, if you will subtract these two numbers, so you will get answer 61,100 only. Now we are going to find out the closure estimate. Okay, what we have to do, again we are going to take 1,08,734, because we are going to rounding off to nearest 10. It means we will make a line only last one digit. Okay, so we made a line. So first we will write a 0 instead of 4 only. Understood what I am telling you, beta? Okay, then what we have to do next? We will check the value of 4. We will check the value of 4. It should be categorized in which number? It should be in category number 1. Now tell me, what is the estimated value of 4? The estimated value of 4 is equal to 0. So we will add 0. Understood? Plus 0. So what is the answer? The answer is 1,08,730. Okay. Now we will move on the next number, 47,599. Understood? What we have to do next? We will make line how many digit? Last one digit only. Then check the estimated value of 9. Tell me the estimated value of 9. It is 10, because it should be become in which number? In between 6 to 9. Okay, so we will add plus 10 only. So what is the answer? The answer should be 47,600 only. Okay, the answer is 47,600 only. Clear what I am telling you? Now what we have to do next? We have done rounded off tens. Then we will check the answer. Okay, then closure estimate is equal to 1,08,730 minus 47,600. So you will get answer 61,130. Okay, my dear students. Now we will move on. Question number 2C. Okay, so here what we have to do? Here I am not going to show the steps which I have explained in question number 2A and B. Understood? Here just I am going to explain how to do. Here first we are going to find out for nearest 100. So we will take last two digit. Now check it. First we are going to write 348. Okay, we will write 2 times 0 instead of 48. Okay, now check this value. Okay, उसके estimated value क्या होगी? 0 0 only. Okay, the answer should be, answer is 300. Understood what I am telling you, beta? Okay, the answer, sorry, 4 लाख, पीछे से मैं नंबर लगाना है. There is no issue. 4,89,300. अगर बड़े नंबर है, if it is a biggest number, so no worry. आपको सिर्फ लास्ट 3 डिजिट लेना है और लास्ट 2 डिजिट के नीचे लाइन करना है और 0 0 पहले लिखकर चेक द वैल्यू. कि कौन सी कैटेगरी में वो नंबर आता है. अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू बेटा? ओके, सो व्हाट इज आंसर? 4,89,300 only. Understood? Now we will check 48,000. It means 365. हम वही नंबर ले लेते हैं 365. Okay. Understood what I am telling you? We will make last 2 digit. So we will write 2 times 0. Then check the estimated value of 65. Okay, already I have explained. So what is answer? Estimated value of 65 is equal to 100. Understood? Already I have explained in the chart. Okay, so what is answer? The answer is 400. Understood? और पीछे I will put this number. So what is answer? 48,400 only. Understood? Clear what I am telling you beta? So here you can see the rough estimate is equal to 4,40,900. 4,40,900 only. Understood? Now we will move on the closure estimate, which by rounding off to nearest tens only. Okay, so again I am going to find out. We are going to take only last 2 digit beta. It is very easy for understanding you also. Okay, so this is 48. Okay, we made a line last 1 digit. Okay, then plus 4, 0 लिख दो. Tell me what is the estimated value? Estimated value is 10. Okay, estimated value of 8 is equal to 10. What is answer beta? 50. Understood? So we will put 4,89,350. Understood? Understood beta? Now 48,365. I am going to take last 2 digits so you can understand beta, and we made the line only single digit. Then we will put beta. Sorry, I am going to take 3 digit. चलो पूरा ही digit ले लेता हूँ. So therefore you can understand better beta. Okay, we will make last 1 digit only. Okay, now what we have to do? We will write 48,360. Understood? Okay, then check the value of estimated value of 5. It is 10. Understood? And we will add it. The 0, 7, 3 and 48. Understood beta? So answer is 48,370. 48,370. Understood? If you will subtract these two numbers, so you will get answer. Okay, what is answer? The answer is 4,40,980. Clear? Okay beta, I am not going to show how to subtract this number because you know very well. Understood? Clear? I am not going to show how to subtract this two number. You know, just I have written directly answer here beta. Clear? Okay, and question number D. 8,325 minus 4,491. आपको ये नंबर को घर पे करना है होमवर्क. ओके, नियरेस्ट ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट 100 एंड बाय राउंडिंग ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट टेंस. क्या करना है? राउंडिंग ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट 100 एंड राउंडिंग ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट टेंस ओनली. क्लियर? Okay, so here question number 2 is over. I have explained A, B and C, and D I have given homework. Okay, now question number 3. Estimate the following products using general rule. Okay, so here what we have to do, 578 बेटा हम उसको राउंडिंग ऑफ 100 ही कर देते हैं. So first I am going to take this number, so we will make line last 2 digit. Okay, then what we have to do next, we will write 0 0. Okay, then find the estimated value of 78 is equal to 100. Okay, so we will add 100. The answer should be 600 only. Okay, so 578 is rounding off 100 is equal to 600. Again I am going to take the number 161. Now it is also, we are going to rounding off 100. Okay, so what we have to do, we will make a line last 2 digit. Okay, after that we will write 2 times 0 and check this number in which category, कौन से category में आता है, 51 to 99. Okay, so obviously we will add 100 only. So answer should be 200. Understood what I am telling you, beta? Okay. Now again, so how to do 600 multiply by 200? बहुत ईजी है. कैसे करना है? First we will add, multiply by 6, multiply by 2. 6 to 12 and count the total number of 0. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will put 40 after 12. Understood? So what is answer? The answer is 1,20,000. Understood? The answer is estimated product 600 multiplied by 200 is equal to 1,20,000. Now I am going to show the next question. 5,281 बेटा. तो पहले वाले को, जिस नंबर को मैं करूँगा राउंडिंग ऑफ 1000 और ये नंबर को मैं फाइंड कर, आपकी तरफ से करना है. ऐसा नहीं कि सर हमको क्या करना है, हम राउंडिंग ऑफ 10 ले, राउंडिंग ऑफ 100 ले या राउंडिंग ऑफ 1000 ले. अगर क्वेश्चन में आपको फुल्ली इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है कि राउंडिंग ऑफ 10 लेना है, राउंडिंग ऑफ 100 लेना है, जैसा कि हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में देखा है, लेकिन आपको यहाँ पे कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं दी गई है कि सर हम कैसे करें. सो आपको क्या करना है, आपके हिसाब से लेना है. यहाँ पे मैं पहले नंबर को 1000 राउंडिंग ऑफ 1000 कर रहा हूँ और in second number को I am going to rounding off 100 only. Understood what I am telling you, beta? It depends on you. So which method you will take it. Understood? So if you will do, for example, if you convert rounding of this 100 and this is also 100, okay, if you will do, so no one will be cut your marks. कोई आपका मार्क्स नहीं काटेगा बेटा. Understood? So first here look at this side. I am going to convert into 1000, rounding of 1000. So we will make last 3 digits. Then check 281 in which category? 281 in which category? It is a category number 1. Okay, check this now. Tell me the estimated value of 281 is equal to 0 0 0. Okay, so we will add. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is 5,000 only. Clear? Clear? Now the second number, 3,491. Okay, we are going to convert into rounded off 200. Okay, So you can see, so we made a line, we will make a line, last 2 digit only. Now we will write 00 instead of 61. Now check the estimated value of 61 is equal to 100. So we will add 100 with 3400. So what is the answer? The answer is 3500 only. Clear? Okay. So this is your answer. Then if you will find, if you will multiply, क्या करना है पहले कि 35 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5 कर लो. 35 multiply by 5. Okay, clear what I am telling you? So 5 5 ja 25, carry out by 2. So 5 3 ja 15 plus 2 17. Then count the total number of 0, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we will put 5 zeros in after 175. Clear what I am telling you? So 1 lakh, 1 crore, 75 lakh. Okay, 1 crore 75 lakh, the answer. Understood? Clear? Now the next question number C. So 1291 multiplied by 592. Here we will convert rounded off the 100 in both number. हम दोनों नंबर को rounded off 100 ही करने वाले हैं. Understood what I am telling you? So 1291. Okay, so we will make line. हाउ मैनी डिजिट बेटा, कितने डिजिट के ऊपर हम लाइन करेंगे? लास्ट 2 डिजिट. इट मीन्स 91 के नीचे हम लाइन करने वाले हैं. सो वी हैव मेड लाइन हियर. ओके, देन वी विल राइट, हम 91 की जगह पे 00 लिखेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल चेक द एस्टिमेटेड वैल्यू ऑफ 91. तो टेल मी, उनकी एस्टिमेटेड वैल्यू क्या है बेटा? तो 91 की एस्टिमेटेड वैल्यू सर 100 है. So we will add 1200 plus 100. Okay, so what is answer? The answer is 1300. The answer is 1300. 1291 is rounded off to 100 is equal to 1300. It means 1300. Okay, so you can see here. Now I am going to take 592. Okay, think it. चलो हम 100 को करते हैं, राउंडिंग ऑफ 100 करते हैं, तो उसका आंसर क्या आएगा? तो we will make a line. How many digit? Last 2 digit. So what we have to do next? We will write 2 times 0. Then check the value. Tell me the estimated value of 92. तो 92 is equal, the estimated value of 92 is equal to 100. तो सर हम 500 के अंदर 100 को ऐड करेंगे, एडिशन करेंगे. सो सर वी विल गेट 600 आंसर. अंडरस्टूड? सो 592 is rounded off 100 is equal to 600. Okay, now then what we have to do? Now tell me, what is 13 6? Beta, if you don't know table, please prepare a table at home. If you don't know a table, you can't be perform multiplication also and division also. At least you know. Minimum I am telling you beta, कम से कम दर्जे में आपको टेबल नंबर 1 और टेबल नंबर 10 तो आना ही चाहिए. ओके, तो 13 6 78. ओके, एंड देन काउंट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ 0 1 2 3 4. सो वी विल पुट 40. अंडरस्टूड? तो व्हाट इज आंसर? 7,80,000. Understood? So you can see estimated product 1300 multiplied by 600 is equal to 7,80,000. And beta, the last sum, I am going to give homework. Okay, just I am going to give hint for this question. उसको किस में कर दो, 100 में कर दो, और उसको किस में कर दो, 10 में कर दो, rounded off 10. So beta, you will get answer. Just I am going to give the hint. So beta, here I have completed fully exercise 1.3. Understood? So if you have any doubt, if you have any query, so you can drop your message in the comment section box. Okay, and again wish you very happy Ramzan Mubarak to all of you. Okay, and do not waste your time. Understood? Allah Hafiz.